Thank you so much for tuning in. Mr. Mitsubishi here. Today in this video, we'll check out this. So this is a terrain selector that you can find in your Mitsubishi Outlander. This here is Mitsubishi Outlander gas version, fully loaded GT, but the same selector, same system is to be found on literally all Outlanders. So it's a standard equipment. So luckily Mitsubishi comes with all-wheel control standard and this driving mode selector standard as well. And in this video, we're going to talk about each of these driving modes individually, what they are and how to best use them in your daily driving habits. So let's get going. Couple of things to know is that Outlander offer you 6 driving modes. So you have Eco, Normal, Tarmac, Gravel, Snow, and Mud modes. So every time when you change these driving modes, a beautiful display like this comes out. I haven't seen on any manufacturer doing such a great job on visually displaying these driving modes. I gotta say that Mitsubishi to me has the nicest display, has such a clean, crisp design. So every time when you go from normal, whatever the mode you want to switch to, it shows you the indication on what this drive mode would be actually used for. As we can see, Eco is all about going green and fuel economy. Normal city driving, then Tarmac would be on windy roads and good paved roads, gravel, snow, etc. So right now let's go a little bit more in depth about each of these driving modes individually. We'll start off with Eco, and as you can see, once we turn to Eco, this little light indicates what mode we're on. And Eco mode supports economical driving by optimizing powertrain characteristics, and the power of the vehicle won't be as noticeable as on other modes. So the vehicle is gonna feel a bit slower, as the Eco mode name suggests. All vehicle characteristics will be geared towards achieving maximum fuel efficiency. Next up is Normal mode, and it always defaults back to normal. So it doesn't matter if you drive in Eco or any other driving mode, you turn off the vehicle, start again, always defaults back to normal, and there's no way to change that. Always does it. So this mode offers well balanced and all-wheel drive dynamics, and this is what most people use for the daily driving choice, not only because it defaults to that on your daily basis, but because the vehicle just drives and feels, responds in a very normal and user-friendly way. When we slide one down, now we can see this is the Tarmac. And on the Tarmac mode, so think of this as a sport mode. So this will give you agile dynamics, responsive steering wheel, and the Outlander will just feel faster. Definitely try this out. You'll absolutely love this Tarmac mode. One down, we have Gravel mode, and this is for driving on rough road surfaces, but not quite as bad as off-road situations. So the gravel, unpaved roads, this is the right selection for it. So bad roads, but not quite as bad as off-road. This is where you want to select it. Keep on turning and you're going to stumble upon Snow mode. So this is for improved traction and stability on slippery road surfaces, especially such as light to medium snow covered roads. So when you actually encounter something like that, Snow mode is a very good selection for that. Last one here is Mud mode. Use it on muddy and deep snowy roads. The driving will be geared towards improved traction performance, especially when accelerating and turning from stopped position. So generally speaking, use it with low speeds, almost an off-road type of situation. When this mode is on, by the way, your adaptive cruise control and MyPilot functions cannot be activated because it's meant for low speeds, heavy off-road situation kind of thing. And last thing, it's not a driving mode, but this little button right here, as you press it, light comes on. And this one here is hill descent control, is for going steep downhill. The vehicle will maintain the slow speed automatically to prevent these fast descents or hard to steer situations. Works only at low speeds up to 25 kilometers an hour, and that's 15 miles per hour. Steep downhill situations, this is where you want to use it. So we just checked out 6 driving modes that you can use on your daily drives and your adventures if you go a little bit off-road and whatnot. Very nice and easy selection, so you can see it on the indicator again here which mode is selected. And then once you scroll through your dials right here, let's say you leave on gravel, when this screen goes away, then you can see it right here which driving mode you have. So you can see that you're on gravel, and there's 2 ways of this screen that you can have it. This is the enhanced looks, and you can also change it back to change meter view to just a regular classic looks. Then you have it right here, so it's always underneath the parking drive or whatever the selector might be. It'll show you which gravel mode you are. So let's try shift it again. So we go to tarmac, beautiful screen comes off, and then you have right here that you're on tarmac. So that's how you know which mode you're in. And again, once you leave it on tarmac, let's try it, turn it off, and we're gonna turn back on, and we're gonna be back on normal. So we can see right here we're back on normal. There's no way to change it. I wish there would be a way to change it, because a lot of people are asking how can I always leave on eco or tarmac or different ones, but unfortunately you can't. So if you want to be eco driver, you always want to click to eco. And honestly, the best way how to experience it is just to try these different driving modes. You'll see how vehicle just feels different, how it shifts different, the gas pedal responds a little bit different. And Mitsubishi has one of the best super all-wheel controls in the market, so the vehicle is very good in that regard. So thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope this gave you a little bit more clarity what these driving modes are for. Try it out, test it out, you'll absolutely love them.